welcome back to another Fragrance Friday video. You guys, I am super excited as always to be doing another Fragrance Friday video here on my channel. So I feel like these Fragrance Fridays kind of get lost and caught up in the mix. But anyways, nevertheless, we are back here with another Fragrance Friday. So we're going to be talking about some fragrances that I have been loving for this month, some new ones that I'm trying out, and some that I recently purchased. So enough of me talking, because y'all know I go on and on and on, sis. We're going to go ahead and jump right into the first fragrance that I have to talk about. So the first fragrance I have to mention is my Burberry Blush. You guys, this fragrance is absolutely amazing. It's very soft. It's very girly, it's very fruity, it's very feminine. I would consider it a fruity scent, but it also has some floral notes to it as well. I did get the 30 ml bottle, so this is the 1 ounce bottle. This fragrance is perfect for an everyday scent. If you wanted this to be the only fragrance in your collection, this will do the job. I feel like it's perfect for nighttime, it's perfect for daytime. It's definitely work appropriate. No one is going to say that you smell too loud. It's not going to be cloying, it's not going to be overpowering. This is just a nice, subtle, soft, everyday scent. So some of the notes that I pick up on this fragrance are green apple. I smell the jasmine, and like I said, it does have some of those floral notes. So I definitely smell the rose in this one. I love roses. Y'all know, if you know me, sis, you know I love roses. Girl, let's just adore this bottle for a second. Like the gold detailing on this bottle, the gold writing, the juice is like a very, very light sheer pink. The bottle is a light sheer pink. The top. This bottle is just absolutely gorgeous. And the House of Burberry just in general has some really good feminine, very soft, everyday fragrances. This definitely puts me in the mindset of my Burberry Her. Maybe like my Burberry Her little sister. This one, or maybe her cousin, because this one is a little bit more lighter. It's a little bit more, I can smell this on somebody that's even maybe 16, 17. It's not a very mature scent at all. And you guys know that I'm not the one to put a age on label on fragrances, but I feel like any woman of any age can wear this, even maybe a 16, 17-year-old. I don't think anything about this says sexy, sultry, or any of that. It's just very girly and very feminine. So as far as the longevity from this fragrance, I would say that it lasts maybe about 5 to 6 hours. I don't get a super long time of wear out of this one, but it's not bad at all. I do have to respray, but 5 to 6 hours, I won't complain when it comes to a fragrance at all. So this next fragrance is Marc Jacobs Decadence, and I believe this is the Divine Decadence based on how the bottle looks. I actually picked this up from Marshall's, I believe, and I only got it for maybe about $25, $29, so it wasn't super expensive at all. This is the 1 fluid ounce. And this smells really, really good. But I do have to be honest, you guys, this scent actually did have to grow on me. I love the original, but for some reason, this one just smelled not a whole lot different from the original. It still has that Decadence DNA, but it definitely does smell, it can't put my finger on it, but it definitely does have a different, more, I want to say like a more floral kind of note. Or something floral kind of going on versus the original version of this Decadence. But then, nevertheless, it smells really, really nice. It actually may be the bergamot note that's actually in this fragrance that I'm picking up, or that gives me something different versus the original. It just smells, I just cannot put my finger on it. But I definitely do smell the vanilla in this. I smell the gardenia in this. I smell the amber in this. And I smell the vanilla. Did I already say vanilla? In this. This is just really, really nice. This fragrance is very dominant to me, and I say that because it lasts a pretty decent amount of time. It lasts maybe about 6 to 7 hours. And it also is, I would consider it to be unisex. I feel like I can smell this on a woman, and I can also smell this on a man. If I do smell this on a woman, I would say that she has to be maybe like a girl boss, or she is very dominant. She is the lady that's on her and she knows what she wants. So this is a good one. This is a really, really good one. I think it's that bergamot though, y'all. I cannot put my finger on it, but I definitely think it's the bergamot that I'm picking up. And based on my nose, this one just seems to be a little bit more stronger and a little bit more floral than the actual original Decadence. I personally prefer to wear this fragrance during the nighttime, maybe on a date night with the girls or something like that. That's just the type of event that I prefer to actually wear this fragrance. Although I have worn it during the daytime as well, I just kind of prefer it more so at night. So since we're on the topic and talking about fragrances that I have been loving for the nighttime or a date night, so this next fragrance I have to show you is by nothing other than Dossier. So I want to say thank you to my friends, of course, over at Dossier for sending me over some more fragrances to try out this month. So this one that I have right here that I have been loving for date night or the nighttime is Fruity Aquas. This has top notes of green apple, bergamot, lemon. Middle notes are peach, rose, ylang-ylang, and the base notes are musk, ox smokes, patchouli, and sandalwood. Y'all, this one is a really good one. So this fragrance is actually inspired by Creed Adventist for her. So if you love Creed Adventist for your man, for your husband, sis, I'm sure you would love the women version for yourself. I will say I can also smell the female version on a male as well, because it just has that dominant, like I was telling you guys about the Marc Jacob one, it just has that powerful dominant feel to it. But I can tell this definitely does have some, did I say patchouli? Yes, I can tell that it has some patchouli in it. If you love patchouli, then you would love this one. It feels like just the Creed for him, like the male version with some patchouli and some of those warmer, more feminine notes added to it. This one is a really good one. Babe loved this one just as much as I love it. It's a bit strong on the initial spray, but once you actually wear it and it actually dries down throughout the night, it is a rock star, you guys. It smells amazing. So all of Dossier's fragrance range from about $29 to about $49. They no longer actually send the testers with their fragrances, you guys, because they want to save on plastic and save the earth, which I totally get and I'm all for. But just in case you do not like these fragrances, you guys, as always, just in case you pick something that you're not too fond of, you can also return it or exchange it for something that you love. Money back guarantee. Y'all know Dossier, this is not your first time watching my video. You guys know how much I love Dossier. I talk about them on these Fragrant Fridays videos, and I also talk about them on my vlog because they have some amazing fragrances. So this Dossier Fruity Aquas fragrance has 15% concentration. So this is highly concentrated and it smells the exact same as Creed Adventist for her. So moving on to the next fragrance that I have to show you guys from Dossier is Floral Rhubarb. So this concentration is 18% concentration. So this one is even stronger. So the top notes on this one is rhubarb, orange blossom, peach. The middle notes are dandyful, milky accord, narcissus. Wait a minute, I hope that does not say narcissus. The base notes are cedarwood, blonde woods, and musk. This one is actually inspired by Marc Jacobs Perfect. You guys, I went into Ulta and smelled this I don't know how many weeks ago, you guys. So when I saw that Dossier actually had this on their website, I had to have it. I had to snatch it up, I had to grab it, I had to get it. It was sold out at the time, but I believe they have restocked back on their website. I'll be sure to leave all the information, their website, and my coupon code down in my description bar below. But you guys, this one smells amazing. So some of these notes, such as the milky accord, the peach in this one, and of course you guys know I love orange blossom, and I can pick up and smell orange blossom from afar. So Dossier gives you guys the perfect opportunity to try this fragrance out. Marc Jacobs Perfect is fairly new, so if you do not want to break the bank on spending that much money on a fragrance, because of course you guys know when the fragrance is brand new, they can be super expensive. So for $39, you guys, I believe this one is $39. I would definitely try this from Dossier. It smells so good, so soft, so feminine, just perfect. I can't even talk about this fragrance too much, you guys, but other than it just being absolutely perfect. So that is pretty much all the fragrances that I have to show you guys. Like I said, be sure to check out Dossier, especially for this Marc Jacobs Perfect, you guys. It smells so good. Coupon code down in my description bar below. I hope you guys enjoyed this Fragrance Friday. And I will see you guys next month, I guess, for another Fragrance Friday video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. And until next time, bye. Mwah.